In this video, I'll show you how to download Revo Uninstaller. Revo Uninstaller is a program for removing software from a Windows computer more completely than the standard uninstall option. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open your web browser. Next, you're gonna go to the official Revo Uninstaller website. Once you are on the website, go to Downloads. Click Free Download. Once it's downloaded, go to your Downloads folder and open the installer. Click Install. And now click Finish. And that is how you can download the Revo Uninstaller on your computer or laptop. If you found this video helpful, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.